the production.
Welcome back to another video. So very quick video here, just gonna put the M140 badge on the car because previous owner didn't put it on, but I think I got one in black because silver one would look rubbish. Nice. So I'll put this kit down below in the description. It comes like this, and hopefully I'm just wishing it sticks on to this. Let's go in. About there. Right, I need it to just stick onto the glass. Then I'll need to take it off. About there. It'll match you with the bottom of the light. Yes, beautiful. Fucking too much. There we go. There she go. Go on, eat. How we looking? Oh, don't fall. There she go, baby. There she go. That'll do that, mate. That'll do. Right. Just watch it. I'll put these down in the link description below. They also came with like M badges, but I'm not going to use them. Okay.